In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P 500 on Charles Schwab. Whether you're using the Schwab website or the Thinkorswim platform, this walkthrough will keep things simple and beginner-friendly, while also showing the advanced paths if you're ready for them. The most important thing to know up front, you can't buy the S&P 500 index itself, often labeled SPX. Instead, you trade it through products that track it. The three most common ways are the SPY ETF, S&P 500 futures, and SPX options. SPY is the easiest and most straightforward for beginners, while futures and options are for experienced traders because they involve leverage and higher risk. Let's start with the simplest method, trading the SPY ETF. SPY is designed to closely track the S&P 500. Log into your Schwab account or open Thinkorswim. Navigate to the Trade or Charts area. In the symbol box, type SPI. Click Buy or Sell based on what you want to do. Choose your order type. Market if you want an instant buy or sell at the current price, or limit if you want to set your own price and wait for the market to meet it. Review your order details, then click Confirm and Send. That's all it takes to start trading the S&P 500 through SPY. As a quick mental model, if SPY goes up, the S&P 500 is generally going up. If SPY goes down, the S&P 500 is generally going down. If you're an advanced trader, you can consider S&P 500 futures, identified by the symbol #ES on Thinkorswim. Open the platform, go to the Trade tab, then Futures Trader. Type #ES, select the contract you want, and place a buy or sell order. Futures track the S&P 500 directly and use leverage, which means small market moves can have a big impact on your account. This cuts both ways, so understand that risk is high and losses can occur quickly. Another advanced route is trading SPX options on Thinkorswim. In the search box, type SPX. Open the options chain. Choose a call if you want to position for the market to go up or a put if you expect it to go down. Place the trade from the chain. Options move fast, can lose value quickly, and are not suitable for beginners. If you want the simplest possible answer to trading the S&P 500 at Schwab, just buy or sell SPY in your account. It's clear, efficient, and closely mirrors the index without the complexity of futures or options.